Earlier this year, I reviewed the OnePlus 13, and I talked about some of the big things we expect to see in smartphones in 2025, one of which is a real-life battery advancement, which we don't see very often. This one is silicon carbon battery tech. Essentially, it allows you to have higher battery density and faster charging, which means you can do one of two things. You can either make phones that are the same size that have much, much better battery, or you can unlock this new ultra-thin phone form factor and have roughly the same battery as before. The OnePlus 13 did the first thing. It had a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in the size of the normal flagship, and it was amazing. It had 7-hour plus screen on time. It was great. This S25 Edge jumps on the ultra-thin thing, but it is not a silicon carbon battery. So there's some speculation why maybe Samsung couldn't source enough of this new battery tech to ship the number of phones that they were planning to with this model. Or maybe they're just a little bit apprehensive about taking risks in the battery departments after getting burned in the past. Totally fair. Either way, they jumped on the ultra-thin thing, but battery life suffered. So what about the rumored iPhone 17 Air? Well, word on the street is that phone also won't use a silicon carbon battery, possibly for a lot of the same reasons. The rumors I'm reading now are pointing towards like a 2,800 milliamp hour battery, which even in iPhone land is just so much worse than the rest of their lineup. And that is going to be fascinating to see how they present that and how they justify that. Either way, look, I think ultra-thin phones can work with silicon carbon battery tech. I think something like this with like a 4,500 to 5,000 milliamp hour battery would be amazing. Ultra-thin phone, lasts all day, great. And then they can also make a regular size phone with a super long battery life, and then people can pick between the two. I just saw Realme made a concept phone that's a totally normal 8.5 millimeters thick, but with a crazy 10,000 milliamp hour battery and 320 watt fast charging, which would be incredible. Now, yes, it is a concept phone, so it's not real. It's more of a demonstration of the advancements of silicon carbon battery tech, but that's the stuff that we're hoping is on the horizon. Maybe S26 Edge will get there. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.